Slade. My name is Leslie, and today we are going to do the Great Garloo. Let's go ahead and look at the package. Ready? Here is the front of the package. This is buy and sell the Great Garloo, only sold at Walmart. So here we go. Here's the side. Here is the back. Here's the front. And if you guys remember, this is an old 1961 toy. So they did an homage to it. It used to be like 3 foot tall, and it was a remote control toy. It was really cool. Here is the commercial for it, in case you guys have never seen it.
Now, for every kid who has ever seen a science fiction movie, thrilled to the amazing strength of an out-of-this-world movie monster, comes Great Garloo by Marx. Garloo the mighty. Garloo the untamed. Garloo the terrible. Who can stop him? Who can control this monstrous creature? You can, kids, because Great Garloo by Marx is yours to command. With these battery-operated controls, you can make Garloo go, stop, bend, pick up, turn. Yes, Great Garloo, almost 2 feet tall, will be your faithful servant. You name it, you're the boss. Bring out-of-this-world excitement into your house, kids. Own the most fantastic toy of all. Great Garloo by Marx.
M-A-R-X spells Marx, world's largest toy maker.
Alright, so there is nothing special with this figure. He is he's just a statue figure. He does not move at all. So he's just giving you a little homage to it. So you got, let's get a closer look here. So you got him, and he's all blue. He's it was a black and white commercial, but I believe he was green in the commercial. This is the exclusive blue variant of it. He was green in 1961. There is the front of him, the side of him. He is a complete statue. The back and thing. He's a statue. He does not move, nothing at all. He's very a little bit flexible, but he is just a statue. So just to get a little closer look, he does have the silver bracelets. Let's just try to get that in zoom here. There we go. And then he's got the medallion that has his name on it. Let's see if you can see that. And then he's got the cheetah little outfit on the bottom, and then some sandals on. So with that being said, it is time in the episode for the Smash or Pass portion of it. So we are going to go ahead and I'm going to say smash on this one just because it is a childhood memory of seeing the Great Garloo on the shelf at my house. But he is just a statue, so he would just stand there, and you couldn't actually play with, well, my boys could play with it, but you couldn't actually play with it and pose it and make it look any cooler. It's just going to be a background figure. So with that being said, that is all I have for you this evening. So if you like this, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are in the world. Thank you.